Look at these pumpkin muffins. They look amazing. Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making pumpkin muffins with yellow cake mix. This is a super simple recipe. All you need is yellow cake mix, pumpkin puree, and cinnamon. Now for the cake mix, it doesn't really have to be yellow cake. You can also use a spice cake mix and different kinds of cake mixes. This is just, the most common one. And also for your spice, you can use pumpkin spice instead of cinnamon. But again, cinnamon is just something that's, most people have in their kitchen. So I just decided to use something basic. So here it is. Before making this recipe, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And also I lined my muffin tin with paper baking cups. So for this simple recipe, all we need to do is just mix those ingredients together. So here is a whole box of yellow cake mix. And here is a can of pumpkin puree. So this can is 15 ounces. And just add it to the cake mix. And next, add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And if you were using spice cake mix instead of yellow cake mix, it really doesn't need any more spice because a spice cake mix has a spice, but yellow cake doesn't. So here's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Goes great with pumpkin. And now just mix everything together. So you don't need to add any extra ingredients that are listed on the box of cake mix. The pumpkin puree gives it just enough moisture to hold it together. Perfect. Now everything is mixed together and you just need to add it to the muffin tin. So just divide this batter between 12 muffin tins. Perfect. And now the pumpkin muffins are ready to be baked. So let's put it in the oven. And again, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These pumpkin muffins have been baking for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and they're ready. Let's take them out. Look at these muffins. They look amazing. They've gotten so big and look at this color. These are perfect for fall. Now, I know in my oven, 25 minutes baking time at 350 for muffins. That's perfect, but just in case, you can always check with a toothpick to see if it comes out clean. Yeah, it's clean. So if there's still batter on a toothpick, it means in your oven, they might need a little longer baking time. So just basically bake them until they're perfectly done. And now let's try it. Let me just take out this muffin. Look at this muffin. So good. So I didn't spray the paper cups, but it still separates well. So for this recipe, you don't need to spray them. Let me just see the inside texture. Perfect. Look at this amazing muffin texture. These pumpkin muffins taste amazing. They're so moist, so full of pumpkin flavor, and they're spiced perfectly with cinnamon. I can't believe this recipe uses so few ingredients. It just comes out so good. Everyone's gonna love these pumpkin muffins. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!